Hey Earl, got your dinner. Oh, okay. Gotta run off the competition, huh? Earl, you better get over here and get this before Charlie comes back. Charlie? Earl's gonna jump on you in 2 seconds here. No, you're pushing it. Okay, Charlie, Earl, put the nut down. You better watch your step. Come on. Here. How about taking one home to Pearl? Yeah, good. Because if you don't, I'm going to rat you out. All right, Charlie, he's gone. Oh. Charlie was underneath the chair and just ran out right through here. Jumped on my legs. Didn't scratch me. Beautiful. It's been threatening to rain for about the past hour. A lot of thunder up north up here. But the rain's just been missing me. Now I hear it. It's not here yet, but it's raining in the trees in the forest. And it's coming. Perfect. You hear the storm coming, you hear the thunder. It's not raining yet. Get your coffee, come out, sit on the porch and wait for it. I'll tell you, it's the simple things that mean the most. No politics, no ideologies, no opinions, no commercials, no TV. I never watch TV anyway. I haven't watched TV in years. No hustle and bustle in the city. People walking by you that won't even look at you. They're too afraid to even make eye contact, much less say hello or anything else. And you just sit here and wait for the rain. Oh yeah. Breeze is coming in. I mean, you can feel the temperature just dropping. You know, not a lot, but 3-4 degrees. But you just feel that breeze. You can hear the rain starting to hit the rollout. And one of the beautiful things is listening to the rain out, you know, coming down on the trees in the forest before it's even here. I'll tell you. Perfect timing, daylight, afternoon. I mean, this is just perfect. Fed the squirrels, Earl and Charlie. I'm gonna sit out here now and I'm gonna probably make another either coffee or some bone broth, chocolate bone broth. And I'm gonna take this in. Just a minute. Peace of mind. Take a breath. All right. Cheers. It has arrived. Have you ever wondered what squirrels do when the rain comes? What some of them do, let me show you. They latch themselves to a tree trunk and just hang out till the rain passes by, and that way they're reasonably protected, at least from the majority of the rain, and they'll just sit there on that tree like that for however long it takes. That's what they do.